Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another look using the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin palette. This is actually look number 4. The others will be linked in the description box as well as the cards. And there is a BH Cosmetics playlist as well with tons of tutorials in it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look, and I just love this cool toned vibe of this Blueberry Muffin palette. So I'm going to continue to work through and create more looks. And of course I'm using the AOA Studio Shadow Stay eyeshadow primer to prime my lids. And I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin eyeshadow palette. And first up I'm going to be, I showed that I nicked the eyeshadow and it's on my hands like the entire video and didn't even realize it. And then first up I'm taking on this fluffy blending crease brush, the shade Treat. This is the gray shade in the palette, and I'm going to build that up in the crease first by kind of pressing it, and then you'll kind of see me sweep it just slightly to start blending that up into the crease against the orbital bone and slightly above. And I'm going to press this in my outer corner as well and build that up. These shades are amazing. They work beautifully. Like no hiccups. Like they build, they blend, they everything. Love them. I'm going to use Crumble, which I could have used the like shimmery white and stuff, but like I just really loved how this looked. It's a shimmery like champagne kind of shade, and I'm going to first apply that with my finger, and then I'm going to go in with a brush to kind of give it a more of a cut crease kind of vibe and really kind of cut that. It's not a true cut crease, but I just wanted it to have that kind of look to it, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to blend my outer corner color, the gray shade, with the lid shade and the crease shade also. So blend it all together. And the Sally Girl Single Eyeshadow in Gunmetal, I'm going to use that as my highlighter today on a large shader brush. And I'm going to apply that under the brow, blend it down into the crease, reshaping the crease a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in with my blending brush in a second. And I'm going to blend the crease shade up into the brow highlighter and blend those, and they'll just become seamless. So it'll look like a flawless transition between the crease and the highlight shade, and I just love that. I'm going to wipe away any fallout that I might have had, and I'm going to use that same shimmery champagne shade in the inner corner as well, and the gray shade on the lower lash line as well. And I love how this look turned out. I'm a big fan. And the LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline with, and I thought it was an easy look as well. Now this eyeliner is from Temu, I believe, and it's just silver. This is the Loreal Bambi Mascara, and I'm going to do a couple coats of that, but I thought the silver in the waterline would be fun. For lips, I'm testing out this AOA Studio Shine Dew Lip Glaze, so it's a lip balm meets lip oil basically, and it is so nice. It's like this beige shade with some shimmers, and you can't really tell on the lips, but it just looks like, you know, clear, but it's so pretty and it feels amazing on the lips. But that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the video helpful. We'll try the look out for yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the BH Cosmetics Blueberry Muffin eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional BH Cosmetic links as well as a product list. And I thank you so much for watching.